Some floor cleaners promise sparkle, but only a few quietly deliver consistent, effortless results across multiple surfaces. This is one of those designs that, once you start using it, you notice small conveniences every time you clean. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence, the channel dedicated to helping you make smart, informed purchases that simplify daily life. Today, we're reviewing the Shark Steam and Scrub Steam Mop, Model S8001, in Hawaiian Gray. This mop is designed for homes with sealed hard floors, hardwood, tile, marble, and stone. If you're looking for a cleaning solution that combines sanitization, scrubbing power, and ease of use, this product is directly relevant. The purchase link is in the description below. The Steam and Scrub Mop is an all-in-one cleaner that pairs automated scrubbing pads with powerful steam, aiming to remove stains, sanitize surfaces, and make floor care more efficient. It matters in this category because it addresses common pain points: labor-intensive scrubbing, ineffective steam cleaning, and difficulty seeing debris, all while remaining gentle on delicate floors. Reason number 1. Effective scrubbing with minimal effort. The rotating mop pads deliver over 150 scrubs per minute, allowing the mop to tackle stuck-on stains without manual elbow grease. The automatic motion ensures consistent pressure and movement, producing a smooth, efficient glide across your floors. Reason number 2. Multi-level steam control. With 3 steam modes: light, normal, and deep, the mop adapts to various cleaning needs. Quick spills, daily dust, and tough, baked-on stains all receive appropriate steam intensity, giving you flexibility for different messes and floor types. Reason number 3. LED headlights for hidden debris. Many hard floors reveal hidden dust and crumbs only when light hits at certain angles. The integrated LED headlights illuminate these areas, helping ensure no spot goes unnoticed during cleaning, particularly in corners and under furniture. Reason number 4. Large, convenient water tank. The XL water reservoir allows extended cleaning sessions without frequent refills. Combined with the included filling flask, it simplifies preparation while minimizing interruptions for mid-clean refills. Reason number 5. Gentle on multiple surfaces. Designed for sealed hard floors, the mop provides enough steam and scrubbing action to lift dirt while remaining safe for wood, tile, marble, and stone. This reduces concerns about damage while maintaining effective cleaning performance. Reason number 6. Swivel steering and ergonomic design. Maneuvering around furniture and tight spaces is simplified with swivel steering. The upright lock and thoughtfully positioned handle further enhance usability, allowing long cleaning sessions without fatigue. Reason number 7. Washable, reusable pads. The 4 included dirt grip soft scrub pads are designed for repeated use. Their construction efficiently lifts debris while remaining easy to wash, reducing ongoing maintenance costs and environmental waste. Reason number 8. Reliable, powerful performance. Testing indicates that the rotating pads combined with strong steam provide up to twice the stain removal effectiveness compared to traditional steam mops. Trusted by many 5-star reviewers, this mop demonstrates consistent results across households. Reason number 9. Simple and safe operation. The mop's intuitive controls, clear water tank indicators, and upright lock system make it approachable for all users. Sanitization and cleaning instructions are easy to follow, helping users achieve effective floor hygiene safely. In final consideration, the Shark Steam and Scrub Mop combines practical power with thoughtful design. Its limitations include being restricted to sealed hard floors and a corded operation, which may feel less convenient for very large areas or multi-level homes. This mop is best for homeowners who want efficient scrubbing, visible cleanliness, and consistent sanitization without repeated bending or strenuous effort. If you value versatility and ease of use while keeping your floors in top condition, this mop offers a dependable solution that stands out in its category.